好，各位贵宾，大家早。
好。Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
皆様、おはようございます。各位贵宾，昨天应该是非常精彩跟丰富的一天。
Yesterday should be a fun. You should have a fun night yesterday, right?
我们来回顾一下昨天哈。昨天我们在现场先从两位实际从事林业的国际专家他们的演讲开始。
We had two wood professional speakers yesterday.
然后用完午餐以后
，and after lunch，
我们搭着游览车，我们到国内从事木工跟设计教学的屏东科技大学去参观。
After lunch, we got on a bus and we went to Pingtung University to visit the factory and our work of the students.
然后结束参观以后，我们到了里那里重建村。
After visit Pingtung University, we went to Linali Village.
各位还记不记得里那里台风受灾以后，有3个部落他们重建委员会重新帮他们建了新的居住的社区。
After typhoon hit Linali, there are 3 tribes that was damaged.
这3个部落叫大家好，对不对？来考试一下，大是哪一个部落？哇，太棒了！家呢？好呢？对了，太棒了！bingo。
Excellent。
结束后，我们在里那里用了一顿非常非常难得的风味餐。
After visit the elementary school, we had a great dinner.
然后还没结束哦。
It's not finished yet.
我们昨天晚上是在 pub 回到 pub 在大家高歌跟欢乐当中结束昨天的一天。
And we went to the music bar and everyone had fun and John was playing saxophone.
昨天如果 miss miss bar 那个 John 董事长昨天在 bar 吹了2首曲子，非常非常 excellent。
John played saxophone for 2 songs. Yesterday night, that was great.
所以经过这2天，我想在座的各位已经不单单只是贵宾了。
After these 2 days, you are not just only participants.
而是像这样讲的，从现在开始，我们都是维金木的家族的一份子了。
But we are the member of Selwood family.
所以展现各位的热情，跟您前后左右的维金木家族问声好。
You can shake hands with your neighbors and say hello to them.
OK， 好，用这样来开场那今天我们第一场是家具与家具。
Today the first topic will be furniture and the fine appliance.
Seven Ocean 的 Ken 他原本要来主讲这一场。
Ken was originally the speaker.
但他认为应该交给维金木的发明者来讲会更适合。
But he thinks it's better for John to do it.
OK， 让我们欢迎史瑞生董事长。
Let's welcome John, the president of Microcell.
维金木的家人，大家早安，大家好。
Good morning, Selwood family.
昨天晚上有没有很开心
Did you have fun tomorrow? Yesterday night?
Yeah. 那个，其实两天的活动，其实我越来越感觉到这样的力量，其实真的在现场。
I've really feel the strength is growing during these past 2 days.
因为所有人都没有私心的去分享他最好的部分给大家。
Everyone share their experience without hiding anything.
今天本来是 Ken， 他要来讲 furniture。
Ken should be the speaker of this morning's topic, furniture and fine appliance.
不过因为他工厂有很多的事情，他现在人在印尼。
But he has so many things to do due to his factory. He's in Indonesia.
那后来我就跟他讲说，不然我就来帮他讲这个 topic。
And I told him that I will help you with this topic.
所有人都不会想到说，Selwood 可以做 furniture。
Everyone had never thought that Selwood can do furniture before.
那其实我们这几年，其实我们也出了很多的 trouble。
Actually, we have encountered many obstacles during these years.
因为要变成木头，其实需要很多的 test。
Because for Selwood to become a real wood, a lot of tests need to be done.
这一张就是 Selwood 的椅子。
This is Selwood chair.
Ken 他以前是，现在还是专门在从事 outdoor furniture 的制造跟销售的公司。
Ken has a company that design and sell furnitures.
他用了非常非常多的 natural teak，
He used a lot of natural teak.
然后他慢慢发现木头他要买的来源越来越少，
Then he realized that it's harder and harder to get real wood.
所以他也试图想用其他取代自然木头的材料。
And he tried to find a new alternative material to replace real wood.
然后他也曾经用过 WPC，
He used to adopt WPC.
他也曾经用过 PS foam，
He used to adopt PS foam,
但是都没有成功。
but none of them are successful.
但是Selwood做出来。
But Selwood made it.
家具的市场在全世界的木头应用，事实上是一个非常有潜力的一个市场。
Real wood applying to furniture is a very potential market in the world.
大家看到一张的桌子跟一张的椅子要用到多少的木头？
As you can see, you have to use a lot of wood to make a table and a chair,
那特别是在户外的家具，
especially for outdoor furniture.
因为它要有非常好的品质跟稳定度。
Because quality is most important for outdoor furniture.
很多的木头在外面其实经过风吹日晒就 damage 掉了。
A lot of wood are damaged due to the sun exposure and the rain.
所以被公认为可以适用在户外的木头就是 teak。
So the best wood that can be used for outdoor furniture was considering using teak.
然后 teak 的木头其实它的生长地区其实也有很多的限制。
Teak has many limited growing restrictions.
因为它要生长在一个比较温暖的地区，
Teak has to grow at a very warm area.
所以大部分都在印尼、
So most of them are grown in Indonesia,
缅甸，还有越南。
Vietnam.
但是越来越多的木头，因为人的需要，一年一年的这样子砍，
And more and more wood are being cut down due to the human demand.
所以越来越多的家具，他们没有办法用真正一大块的自然的木头去做家具，
So more and more furniture manufacturer cannot acquire a big piece of real wood to do the furniture.
所以Selwood是不是未来我们在使用家具的过程一个很好的 candidate？ 事实上，这是我们必须每一个人都要去正式去面对的。
So we have to face that. We have to up to the challenge that when the Selwood can be the replacement for furniture's material.
这个是我们跟 Ken， 我们大概花了1年的时间。
I can spend almost a year.
这个是在印尼的家具的工厂。
This place is in Indonesia, a furniture factory.
所有的生产的行为跟一般木头的加工事实上是一模一样。
The processing was almost the same as you process real wood.
但是 Cellwood 是一个 plastic，
Because Cellwood is plastic.
所以当你在锯的过程里面，其实你会遇到高温 ，Cellwood 会融掉。
So when you cut the Cellwood, the heat will actually melt the material.
然后 Cellwood 里面我们有一些 fiberglass 的补强，
There are fiberglass inside the Cellwood.
所以当它在锯的时候，这个 fiberglass 的这个粉末会让你的皮肤有一点过敏。
And when you cut the Cellwood with fiberglass inside, you will get allergic due to the dust of the fiberglass.
所以刚开始工人在使用 Cellwood 的时候，因为他不习惯，
At the beginning, when the workers are cutting the Cellwood, they are not really used to it.
所以其实也有很多的抱怨跟很多的不舒服。
They have many complaints and uncomfort.
所以这个也是我们必须要去面对的一个真正的现实。
This is the reality that we have to face.
不过跟大家报告一个好消息，这些过程其实 Kent 他在陪伴的1年当中，其实他慢慢的把很多的问题都解决了。
I tell you good news that Ken has solved most of the problems during these trial years.
所以才会看到这么漂亮的家具。
That's why you can see such a beautiful furniture displayed in front of you.
所以 Cellwood 有一些好处跟一些缺点。
Cellwood has many advantages and also disadvantages.
第一个，它没有任何的材料的浪费。
First, Cellwood with none of material.
那个 Ken 跟我讲说，其实他们在买木头，事实上是整个产业里面非常辛苦的一件事情。
Ken told me that it is very hard to acquire real wood.
因为他要先用现金去买最好的木头，先买回到他的工厂。
He has to pay cash for the